Hello and welcome to Code Next Door. My name is Andre, and today we'll be going over special attributes in Phoenix LiveView. Here we have a simple LiveView application, and in this module, it is just a counter and a list of names. The mount function has two assigns, a number, which starts at 0, and people. And people will be a list of names given here through a private function. That just is a list of Tina, Michael, Jared, Jack, Ashley, Kelly, and Flora. The setup might look a little familiar because this is just a simple counter, but where the special attributes come in is right here on line 23. You can see it has the if special attribute, which allows us to add a condition to when this div will be displayed. So this div, which says negative number, will be displayed when the number on the socket is less than 0. Let's test that out. So here is the application, and if we decrement by pressing this button right here, you'll see a negative number is being displayed underneath the counter. Let's go back to 0. So what about the next div? This special attribute uses if again, but here the remainder of when the number divided by 2 is equal to 0 and the number is greater than 0, it will display even number. And below that, the next div is the same thing, but when it doesn't equal 0 and it's greater than 0 and the number is greater than 0, we have odd number being displayed. So let's test those two special attributes out. If we increment, 1 is yes, an odd number, and then 2 is an even number. And that will continue so on and so forth. But what about the for special attribute? So in this div, we have a list of people, which takes the assign people and loops over that using the for special attribute and prints out each individual person. And you can see from the display on the application, we have all the people listed from the list. And if we were to say add someone to said list, say myself, you can see that Andre is now at the end of the list. So what else can we do with the for special or the if special attribute? So what if we take out the check for if the number is greater than 0? What will happen then? If we take these checks out, save, and now this is a negative number and an odd number, and this is a negative number, even number. Special attributes are really useful and can save you a lot of time and sometimes make the code look even clearer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any recommendations of what you would like to see, put it in the comments below.